finally a way to take that video game enthusiasm and turn it into a life skill. Hi, I'm Dave Salch. I'm one of the STEAM teachers here at Young Scholars, and I'm really excited to be talking about this new offering where your child can actually learn how to create their own video games, 2D, 3D, virtual reality, online multiplayer, all of this in a real platform. We're not talking something just like Minecraft or Roblox or one of those. This is Unity. This is the platform that is actually used by commercial game designers for over half of the games existing in the world today. This is the real deal. We're going to walk through how to actually do it like a professional software engineer does. We're going to start with basic tutorials, a running game, fairly simple, and learn how to modify it, put stuff in, take stuff out, change things. Through the weeks of this course, we're going to be making this more and more complex. There's 2 or 3 different start points. You can restart over if you want. A lot of flexibility. Go at your own pace, make your own thing. But the goal here, everyone in this course is going to walk away with an understanding of how these things are made and the skill set of using the software that the real software engineers use. You can go on then in the future to create your own games. You can start from scratch. You can do, the sky's the limit. There is no limit. This works with virtual reality headsets. It works with online multiplayer setups. It works with 2D, 3D, anything you can imagine. This is real stuff. And I'm excited to be your host, your mentor, and walk through how you do this. It's a little bit of a learning curve, granted, but it's well worth it. And we're going to have so much fun learning this thing and creating some never before seen virtual reality 3D worlds. I look forward to meeting you.